Hello everybody, welcome back to the video. So we're going to be showing you my garden update and in harvest. So these are all the stuff we have. A lot of tomatoes. The tomato plant has been the most successful plant. We did not plant it from seed. We did buy it, but we've probably gotten 50 tomatoes. We've also gotten these dried beans. There is still some more beans on the bean plant. So yeah, but the garden is on the last legs because it is September, and I think my garden stopped at like October, maybe early October last year. I don't know. It's raining, so that's always good. I'm joking, but so this is not really a new scene. If you've watched, really, I think I've made a lot of videos about the garden. But pepper plant is shooting off. I'm probably gonna repot it and then put it inside. Have some clovers, which these are actually edible. We have beets. I think they're ready to harvest, but I'm gonna wait a little just to give it more. We have the basil in the corner. It isn't doing that well, so yeah, sadly. Peppermint is taking over. A lot of you said to pick the flowers, but I haven't gotten around to it. The fig, I am super excited because you usually have to plant a fig in either the fall or the spring, and the fall is coming up, so I'm probably going to plant it in the ground, so stay tuned for that video. The basil looks pretty good, but last year it was like probably double the height. But yeah, the zucchini is starting to die off a little, but we've just got our first, I'm pretty sure, female flowers, so hopefully there's still male flowers, so then we may actually get some zucchini. The bean flower sort of dying off, but there is a little bean stalk right here. So then the tomato plant sort of died. Oh, everything's like on its last legs. Oh wait, I think that's a caterpillar nest or something. It's not good. Tomato, I don't know what that is. I don't think it's, actually, yeah, that's probably bad. Please tell me what that is in the comments, because I'm pretty sure it's bad. Oh wait, there's another one. Okay, I assume it's pretty bad. So this is the garden update. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please smash that like button and subscribe to Happy Pepper. Share our videos. And before you go, I'm gonna announce that I'm part of a collab. It's called the 30 Days of Preparedness collaboration, and it has a bunch of awesome and big YouTubers. I'm not going to start naming names because I don't remember all of them. It's a lot of YouTubers, but basically each day of September, National Preparedness Month, everybody each posts a video, and I posted the past 2 videos that were made by the collaborators on the community page. But my day is September 13th, so stay tuned for that. My video is going to be a really good, interesting video, so stay tuned for that. So Happy Prepper out.